Hello everybody. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to make use of sort and filter functions in MS Excel. This is the dataset that we are using. This is the student data that I have collected for the purpose of internship. So this is the date of registrations of the students for that they have registered, date of registrations into the internship. Then this is the student registration number. Then names are there. This is also their email ID. This is the mobile number. Then area of internship, we can call it that HR, finance, marketing, or operations. And this is the company name of the company. Then guide name of the guide. So there are some of the fields that we have. Like this is a date field, and this is one number field. That means it is numerical values are there inside the cell. This is just a number. This is the registration number. Then this is the name of the students. This is the text field or alphabets we are having here. We are going to sort it. Okay. Let us say first we have to create one field that sort icon we have to create. We can when we do it, so you can see this is home. Under home we have sort and filter. Okay. So then we will filter it. So what happens? It is very much essential that when we sort it, it is important that we have to put our cursors or we have to select the cell inside the data, not outside the data. If you are selecting this cell, sort option will not come. So we have to see, or we can directly also select this. So in the headers, you will get one drop down option will come. This is the drop down. If you click here, these are the registration number of the students. Okay. Similarly, here also we have like name of the students. We have is the registration date. All these three fields we are going to filter. Okay. So these are the numbers. Suppose let us say uh, when we click on this icon, drop down options. This has Excel has already identified that this is a text field. This is not the this is not the number field or numeric field. Therefore, what it has done? So it's sort A to Z or Z to A option is coming. Let us see. If when we sort A to Z alphabetical, these are ordered. Okay, sequentially these are ordered. So it starts with A, then ends with Z. If you are going checking, so it will come with like the Vivekanand. It is also coming. Okay. Similarly, if you want to reverse this like in this way, so opposite like from Z to A it is coming because we have selected this Z to A. Let us keep it as it. Okay. So there are also text filter options are there also. Begins with like the letter begins with A or Z or kind of things. So we can also use in a separate section. So we will use it. Okay. So next we'll see here. Also options are there also from smallest to largest. These are the numbers. Suppose we want to see the largest number first. So we can click here. You can see 135, 134, 33, 30. So this like this when is make a selection here, it apply to the whole column. Okay. So you can see. So similarly, we can also reverse it. This is the date field. Date field, it is neither the text nor the number. So what it is? It is like the newest date or like oldest date. Okay, oldest date. So oldest date, suppose we will see oldest date. This is the oldest date, 31st, 2022. We can also reverse this like this way. So you see it is coming now. March is coming. Okay. So some names are missing, registrations are missing. So therefore it is not coming. That's a different issue. Okay. So this is how we can uh, make use of these functions. There are some other functions also like the number greater than, the number not equal to, equals, This is also we can, or the number between, suppose take for example registration number between 70 to 75, this can also comes. Okay. So now you see, suppose we want to see how many people are from finance. You can see, so by mistake somebody has written the name. Okay. So we can see, suppose only finance, how many people are taking finance and specializations. Okay, this is also by mistake students have written. So we can also write this like, these are the students who are taking finance. So you can see these are the students, you can get it. So these are the students, finance student, if you see, you can check it. So total count is 28. What I have done, I put, I selected this, then shift control down arrow. Shift control down arrow, total count is 28 students in this data are taking finance. Okay. Then suppose we want to see like how many students are taking, take for example, HR. HR is also being taken by some of the student. We can also select this. Okay. So HR, these are the students taking HR. That means you can see, make a selection. 34 students are here. Those who are taking HR specializations. Okay. Then we can also see other like marketing. Suppose we want to see how many students are there for marketing specializations group, or they want to pursue internship in marketing area. So this is the number that we have got, like 5. So this is how we can make the we can use sort and filter. So that's for the lessons. I'll see you in the next one.